I think you must have studied closed loop control systems several times, several problems you must have solved during your control systems course, but you must have never experienced during your undergraduation, you must have never experienced the design of closed loop control system. I'll be showing the closed loop control system with the help of the simulation which we developed. If I enter here some value, some duty ratio, then correspondingly output voltage will come. V output is equal to this delta into V input. Usually in case of a manual control system, means non-feedback control system, user will change the value of delta as per the requirement of speed. Suppose I want more speed, so delta value will be increased so that we'll get a more voltage, so that we'll get a more speed. Okay. But in case of a closed loop control system or a feedback control system, we'll be having a controller which will be setting the value of this delta. Okay, this controller will get to know what should be the value of delta. Okay, let me run the simulation. Yeah, once I run the simulation, see, 750 RPM is set. Immediately it has gone to 750. It's fluctuating around 750. So let me change it to 500. See, it has changed immediately. The moment I change the reference, we normally call it as input, but it's actually in this case it's a reference.